Hello. So welcome back to another Stitch Fix unboxing. If you are interested in this kind of content, please give this video a thumbs up so I know to keep doing them because it costs me money to buy these things and to show them to you. So make sure you are subscribed before you leave, and let's get right into the box. So the way I do these unboxings, if you're new here, hello. I am going to guess the prices of all the items in the box. I'm going to do a little try on. You'll see I'll insert it in. I haven't tried any of the products on yet. I have peeked in the box because I cannot help myself. So before we get into it, I just want to do a little quick disclaimer. So the way Stitch Fix works, it's a subscription box. You pay for on-demand styling. You can schedule it whenever you want. When you schedule the box, you are charged $20 as a styling fee. If you keep anything in the box once it arrives, that $20 that you spent is credited towards a purchase. So if your shirt's $40, it's only going to be $20 because you already spent $20, if that makes sense. I like to say that because I did not know that when you don't keep items in the box, you lose the styling fee. So just keep that in mind. I think it's really good to have transparency, so that's what I'm given to you as a consumer. So let's get into the item. I did do a quick peek, if I already mentioned, but this I gotta say, I think my stylist name was Elizabeth, so Elizabeth got me. I'm not sure who my other stylists were. I have no idea if it's like the same person, but this time around, she had my back. So the first item I'm going to show you are some butter denim jeans. I'll put the name on the screen of the exact name. And they're just a black basic pair of jeans, but they feel really, really, really nice. And I can wear like these kinds of jeans, like I can wear these at work because they kind of, like if I wear it with a long top, you won't really know that it's jeans. So yeah, I'm really into these. I need to make sure that they fit their size 27. So hopefully they do. They're high rise, they're ankle skinny. I mean, it's everything that I can ask for in a pair of pants. There's no holes, which I believe I put in my stylist note. You can write like a note to your stylist that I didn't want any ripped jeans because I kept getting some and I just finally was just like, no, I don't like ripped jeans. Like I really don't. So yeah, so I'm excited to try these on. I have a feeling these are going to be expensive, probably around $60 or so. I'm probably going to keep them depending on everything else's price in the box because you can always use a pair of black pants. But I have my eye on some other things in the box. So I'm going to say this is about 60 bucks. Now, that was the only pair of pants. I didn't get any accessories and I didn't get any shoes, which I believe I wrote to my stylist, don't do any of that, so they listened. Okay, so this next top. Now, I have to try this on, but looking at it, I'm kind of on the fence if I'm going to keep it or not. I do like it. It's a cold shoulder black top, and it just has like a floral design and just like a little crisscross in the back. I think this is probably around $48. The only reason I am on the fence about it is I just need to see how it looks on. The fabric feels really nice. It is a little bit thin. You can see through it just a little bit, so I'll need to see how that looks. But yeah, so it's a size small. I think it'll fit okay. I just need to see, you know, how it fits, that's all. But I really do like this. I like the cold shoulder. It's going to be, you know, spring, summer soon, so I'm excited about that. The next thing is a green top, which I envision wearing this at work. So it just has like a little crisscross in the front, if you can tell, but it's a really dark green. It's kind of a heavy material, but not really. It looks like it's not lined, so I would probably have to wear a tank underneath, but I am very excited about this. I think it might be high-low because it looks like the back comes down a little bit lower. I'm very excited about that. This is probably about, I say this is probably expensive. This is about $55. This next one, this is very much my style, but I'm probably not going to keep it only because it's basically a plain black shirt and I have so many plain black shirts. So it looks like this. It has a cute little design. You can see like the peekaboo cut out, and it's different fabric on the back. So on the back it's more of like a cottonish thing, and then on the front it's more of I don't even know how to describe the fabric, but it's kind of like like workwear material. Does that make sense? I don't know how you describe this fabric, but I do like the shirt. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I just put it up against myself like in the mirror and I'm like, I don't know. I have to try it on, but I probably won't keep this one. I think this is cheaper than the other ones. I think this one is, I'm going to say $35. But yeah, so this is also a size small. And the last item in the box, and then, okay, so here's my reaction when I first opened this. I like opened it and I was like, oh, I don't really like that pattern. Like, I don't know. It kind of looks like, I don't know. And then I turn it around and I realized it's kind of like a cropped, not cropped. I don't think this is going to be cropped on me, but it has like a tie in the front. And I was like, oh, that's cute. So I was a little worried about the pattern, but it doesn't look that like loud, if that makes, I was gonna say noisy, but it doesn't look that loud to me when it's all together. But you know, this corner right here, if the whole shirt was just like covered in this pattern, I don't think I would like it. But I really do like the tie. This is also in a size small. I'm gonna say that this is probably close to like $50-ish just because it has that detailing. But yeah, I really like the pattern in that one. So that concludes this video. So far, I have to try everything on still. I like to do these videos before because I don't want to like give any, I don't know, give anything away. I don't know. But if I'm probably going to end up keeping this shirt, the green shirt, which is like my work shirt, depending on, you know, how everything fits. And then maybe the cold shoulder, and then maybe the pants. Well, no. I mean, if they fit, I'll probably keep them. But yeah, so that is it for this video. I will leave what I kept down below, and then I also have a referral code, or link rather. You get money off on your first like purchase. So if you're interested in saving some moolah, it's down below. I think I get money too. Like I think I get like $25 towards a credit or something. So yeah. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.